Okay, so making the most of PPC. So we kind of have already talked about this. Like you really need to make sure that that keyword is relevant to your listing, right? And making sure that it's in your listing and really think about when somebody clicks that ad that you're running. So you just paid for that click, right? You might have paid $3 for that click. You want to make sure that that customer makes a buying decision when they click on that ad. So you want to make sure your listing looks good. What I do on a regular basis, about once a week, I go and look at all of my products from the Amazon mobile app as well as desktop, because I want to see, what do they look like? What do my products look like to the customer? And I want to see if I have any new, like, bad reviews, stuff like that, right? I want to see if there's anything that needs to be addressed. And then I also take a look at the competitors that are advertising on my listing page. I want to see what my competitors are looking like. So that is a really important thing, is think about your product from a customer view. And if it's not desirable, they're not going to buy it. If they scroll down and see better priced competitors advertising on your listing, you've just wasted money on a click. So think about that and make sure your listing is optimized, your photos look great, you're priced appropriately. Maybe you're running a promotion at the same time. If you're running a coupon, you get that fun little orange bar on the top of your listing in the buy box that entices customers to click and buy. So anything that can prevent a customer from scrolling down and looking at your competitors is just a really great way to make the most of your PPC. And if customers are clicking, if you're getting lots of clicks, but they're not buying, that tells you need to go back and look at your listing from a customer view, look at your competitors, and find out what is going on, because there is a reason people are not buying when they're clicking.